What's up, everyone, and welcome to my very first vlog.
Hi, I'm
JP. Today we're getting all ready, packed up, because we're going to Yellowstone. There's my suitcase, and there's the entire rest of my room that has not been unpacked, because I'm in the process of moving, but we're going to get to that. Done. Got about 3 hours, so I have to be up at 2 a.m. to make it to the airport. See you in the morning. Whew! What a whirlwind morning. So I had to wake up, I had to leave at 2:30 to get to the airport, and then woke up at 4:30. So blatantly missed my flight this morning. Shout out to Delta though, because got my flight switched, flying out tomorrow morning instead. And we're still going to be in Yellowstone, so probably won't vlog much around Iowa because, I don't know, not much cool to do here. But next stop will be Yellowstone. We're actually going to the airport. Let's go to the airport. Day 2 was a success of making it to the airport. Speed through TSA. I'll let the travel montage begin. Got the rental car and Hertz hooked me up with the upgrade, so let's go, baby. So we'll recap. Landed, got the rental car, brand new 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee, has 753 miles on it. Brand freaking new. And now we're gonna go to Walmart and get the camping supplies and food for the rest of the weekend. Just arrived at some place called Bear World. No idea what it's about, so we're gonna go check it out, I guess. Oh! There's a Renaissance fair going on. Baller! This is so cool. Everyone's in like 14,000s attire and just looking freaking awesome.
It's all good.
Oh, that's interesting.
Stay still.
Make it good.
Apparently there's a night show about to go on, so we'll see what that's all about. I love this so much.
Cut his big toe off, then he can't walk.
Marshall.
Just like somebody's mouth.
That was so cool. Didn't think I'd be coming to Yellowstone and going to a Renaissance festival, but when in Rome. Move out the road! Oh my gosh, they're so cute! They're so cute! Bye! I don't know if I emphasized it enough, like when I was picking up the rental car, but this car is like amazing. This is like a $50,000-$60,000 car, and this has all the bells and whistles on it. But wow, don't care anymore. Nature. Oh wow, that's super pretty. All right, I'm gonna get out and get the drone going. So. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous here. I can't get the smile off my face. We made it! drove around for like 2 hours trying to find a campsite and failed. So, grabbed the sleeping bag and slept in the car last night. And it is currently snowing right now. I guess that's what a summer in Yellowstone looks like. Ugh. Oh shit. This is crazy. It's literally snowing right now. Alright, start of the day. Day 2. Gonna be a lot of hiking, sightseeing, you know, the norm. So let the montage begin. Waterfall number 1 of the day from the top. What's up? All right, time to go to bed. Good night.